Disabled veterans are hurt by the backlog problem. Hi, I'm Mark Whitehead, an accredited disability attorney and author of the Disability Help Book, Veterans Disability Claims, Strategies for a Winning Campaign. Anyone who's filed a veterans disability claim knows that the VA is incredibly behind and that many vets end up waiting years before they know whether or not they're going to be getting the benefits that they need. The problem has gotten so bad that lawmakers have been pushing the VA to move faster and find ways to streamline the process. Recently, there's been a lot of seemingly good news about the backlog shrinking by roughly 35%, an impressive figure. However, what's lost amidst those reports is that the VA has changed the rules in what it counts as part of the backlog. Claims from dependents are no longer counted in the backlog numbers, nor are appeals of denials. Now, most vets probably don't care a bit about the VA trying to make itself look better to Congress by redefining and recategorizing claims, but they should, because it's part of an overall strategy to ease restrictions and move things along faster, which often translates into decisions going against the veteran. Now, isn't the streamlined process good for vets? While some potentially positive strides have been made, such as having up-to-date medical records available to the Veterans Affairs Department electronically for some troops, all too often the changes that are being made to the decision process end up hurting vets. For example, eased restrictions on what makes evidence valid seems to be something that should make it easier for the veteran to prove their case. In practice, though, it's just let the VA accept information that goes against the vet's claims more quickly and frequently. What that means is that sure, you might get a faster decision on your claim, but it's far more likely to go against you. And because the VA stopped counting appeals in its backlog, all of those people who decide to fight back against the denial have essentially become invisible. Because of this, it's even more important than ever to work with a veterans disability lawyer who knows this area of the law inside and out and can guide you through the process. If you have more veterans disability questions, check out my free ebook, Veterans Disability Claims, Strategies for a Winning Campaign. Visit www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy, or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.